In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can dash here in Rivals. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to dash in Rivals, you do need to have the Scythe equipped in your loadout. The Scythe is essentially a melee weapon that's known for its high mobility, allowing you to quickly move throughout the map. As long as you have that Scythe equipped, you'll be able to activate the dash depending on what device you're playing on. If you're on PC, you just have to hit right click while holding the Scythe. If you're on mobile, you have to tap the crosshair or ability icon on the right hand side of your screen, and while the Scythe is equipped as well. If you're on console like Xbox or PlayStation, just press the left trigger or the quick melee ability button when the Scythe is your active weapon, and this will launch your character forward with a burst momentum, which is perfect for moving quickly, escaping fights, or pushing enemies. You can also perform a jump dash to travel even further. Just simply jump first and then immediately use the dash ability. This will allow you to dash mid-air and let you clear gaps and reach higher platforms a lot faster, which can be super useful on maps with vertical areas. Many players also have, combined movement techniques like switching from fist to scythe for a quick dash to keep their movement unpredictable and harder for enemies to track, but that is how you can dash here in Rivals. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.